Hello everybody, and welcome to the Daily Planets edition of Athena's Web. Today we're taking a look at Wednesday, the 27th of May, 2015. Well, basically, we've once again got ourselves an extended void of course moon period. The moon is the ruler of form. When it moves into a new sign, it sort of dictates what will and what won't manifest. When the moon's void of course, it's gone through that sign and made most of the major, what are called the Ptolemaic aspects, and it finishes doing that, yet is still cruising, waiting to get out of the sign. Those are the void of course moon periods. In general, they're good for temporary circumstances that you're setting up, talking to people, gathering information, but not yet making decisions on it, and trying not to make purchases because they tend to go a little awry. As we mentioned yesterday, we're fairly energized as we get up this morning. Mercury parallels the planet Mars. People may be a little bit more talkative in whatever it is that they're doing. And then as we move into the evening, circumstances again pick up as the moon enters Libra at 5:45 this evening, and things begin to move forward for us once again. Well, that's about it for the day today. Thanks a lot for tuning in. Best you can. Have a good one, everybody.